I'm Szczepanek, and this is Pianist Academy. I've studied music for over 30 years, taught music for over 20 years, been a professional pianist and composer for over 10 years, and from my experience collaborating with GRAMMY Award winners, to teaching finalists of America's Got Talent, to touring concert halls around the United States, to just sitting at a piano in a living room with a beginner student, I'm bringing all of that knowledge to you, and I'm here to help answer your questions about the piano, theory, music, composition, and even arranging. Pianist Academy is a place where you can grow as a musician for years to come. You'll be able to find everything here, from beginner lessons on scales and standard pieces to intermediate lessons about tackling new techniques and starting to compose, to advanced and even collegiate level lessons about performance, virtuosity, and even more. Plus, we'll regularly feature other pianists, teachers, composers, and arrangers here on the channel so that you can experience music from a variety of styles and perspectives. There are always new lessons coming out, so check out the channel, consider subscribing, and learn how to practice smarter, not harder.